The answer to heating my camper van is this terracotta planter, and it does work. So let's make a terracotta planter heater to heat the camper van. The supplies for the terracotta heater cost me about 15 bucks. I picked them up at the hardware store, and here's what I got. You need a set of terracotta planter stands, tea light candles, 3 washers, a nut, a carriage bolt, and 2 terracotta planters, one larger than the other. Let's put it together. Okay. Super fast, super easy. Take the large terracotta pot, put 1 washer on it, slide the carriage bolt through it. You're about halfway done. Flip it up. Take these 2 washers, put them on top of the carriage bolt, just like this, right in there. Take the other terracotta planter, the small one. You can see this is sooty where I've used it. Take the small one, put it right in there, carriage bolt. Takes me a minute to screw it in there. There you go. You want to put it kind of tight. There is one piece I forgot to get. I will be right back. You need the dish that goes underneath the terracotta planter. That's part of what makes your terracotta heater work for the van camper. Now, candles. Take 5 or 6 tea light candles or votive candles that are not scented. Put them in your dish, just like so. Scatter them around. You can use more if you want to. The planter will go on top. The tea lights in the bottom. The feet for the terracotta goes however you want them to go. Just do this however it fits best for your van camper, for the space you're going to use, okay? And do some experimentation until you get what really works. Matches or a lighter, and just light the candles. Now that we've got the candles lighted, take your planters and put it on top of the tea light. Here's a video clip on how well it works, and I'll tell you how. Be safe and use your common sense. I had a carbon monoxide detector, fire extinguisher, and smoke alarm. In addition, I put it in the sink where it would be away from the walls. Staying warm in the van with a Terracotta Flowerpot heater. It may be 29 degrees in Berea, Kentucky, but it feels like it's 26. But it's 61 degrees in the van. This is how it works. Carriage bolt in the center of the planters helps direct heat. The inner planter gets hot and heats some of the air around the inner planter. The outer planter helps hold it. Is it fast? No. Think charcoal grill instead of gas. It takes a little while for everything to warm up. But once it does, it heats longer than some traditional heaters for the van camper. What I like to do is start the terracotta heater, have my sandwich or soup or whatever I'm having for dinner. By the time that's done, the van is getting warm from the terracotta heater. Have you tried a terracotta heater for your van camper? How do you feel like it worked? Leave your comment down below. Let me know. And if you use another method to heat your van camper, let me know that in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And click that bell so you get all of the instant notifications every time a video comes up. I've got more videos coming on camper van life. So click that bell. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you out about and online. Bye. Okay, Tomlin, here we go. Here you go. Come here, let's undo. You want to be off duty?
Your workday has finished. Yay for you.